Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious stuffed bell pepper recipe. Stay tuned. These are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe, guys. So I have some bell peppers. You're going to need 3 bell peppers for this recipe. Salmon, some diced salmon, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of cooked quinoa, some parsley, for a garnish, cream cheese. I have my seasoning blend over here. I have some all-purpose seasoning, some orange pepper, lemon pepper, and seafood blend. Here I have 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 lime. I have some tomato, some green onion, shallot, some fresh garlic, a little bit of fresh thyme, and some scotch bonnet pepper. All right, guys, so at this point, you want to remove the top, and then we're going to remove the seeds and everything that's on the inside. And just make sure you wash your bell peppers. All right, so go ahead and remove everything. And we're going to do the same thing, for these two, for the yellow and the red. And obviously, this is where we're going to stuff our filling. This is where the filling is going to be at, the salmon and all the fresh herbs, sauteed together with the quinoa is going to be on the inside of our bell pepper. Alright guys, so now we're just going to combine our 4 seasoning blend and then we'll continue the video. So now we're just going to season our salmon, add a little bit of that dry rub. Then we're just going to stir it up. Stir it up nice and proper as heat. Yeah, man. So after we're done stirring this up, we're just going to set it aside. Turn our stove to about a medium-high heat. And then start to saute our veggies. Alright guys, so at this point you want to add your butter. After you add your butter, you want to add your fresh veggies, your tomato, green onion, thyme, garlic, shallot, and scotch bonnet pepper. It's smelling really good right now. Stir it up. And we're just going to saute these veggies for about a minute, and then we're going to add our salmon. Stir it up. And what we're doing right now, guys, we're just blending all these beautiful, lovely, seasoned flavor together. And once the salmon is fully cooked, after about 5 to 6 minutes, we're just gonna remove this from the heat and combine this with all the other ingredients. Smelling so good right now, guys. Oh my God. Look at this right here. This masterpiece. Alright guys, so now you want to add your quinoa, cream cheese, Parmesan. We're not going to add the whole thing, just about 3/4 of a cup. Then you want to add your cooked salmon and all these lovely herbs. After you add all these ingredients together, just give it a nice little stir. Stir it up a little bit. This is a super easy recipe to make at home, guys. You know, if you're looking for a nice little healthy, diet, this is it right here. This is a nice recipe. Just keep stirring it up until everything is fully combined. All right, I think this is good. Yeah. All right, guys, so we're just gonna spray a little cooking spray. I throw a bell pepper. Now we're gonna add our filling. All right, so now we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And then we're just gonna toss it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until the bell peppers are nicely charred and the cheese is fully melted. We're gonna bake this at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my God. All right. Like I said, my parsley, that's for garnish. Just gonna top it off. Little sprinkles, make it look nice and fancy, So we're just gonna squeeze some fresh lime juice, The citrus flavor is gonna turn up that salmon flavor a notch, Yeah, so this is it. We're at the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.